DIY gang, what's going on? Welcome back. So if you've been paying attention, my first few DIY videos was about painting. I'm not done painting, of course, but I got some painting out of the way. My second set of videos was about fixing my stair. This video is a little different, but I am excited about it. I want y'all to watch it all the way through so you guys can learn something. If you haven't subscribed, like I said, subscribe. I'm gonna start this video. They already cut right there, but you can cut it right here on this line. Just avoid this. When you get right here, you want to lift that. Don't cut their grass. You're doing a job. Cut on the edge right here because it's impeding. So if it's not impeding on your property, it's not your job to cut it. This is what I'm looking for, but they so old and rusted.
They're really fine though.
Yeah, I need to put some WD-40 on them probably though. This part goes connect to the home, so make sure that's at the top. I think that's how you're supposed to do it.
You got your blade?
I need this battery. What blade? That ain't gonna work. We're supposed to be focused on the front, not this.
Well, this is still for OMB quick.
I just want to see if this works. I want to see if I can cut this thing. Probably not strong enough, or so it's not gonna work. I'm just trying to see what this can do. Anything? Like you want to do something right now? No, enough. Yeah, but you're not. Well, go clean it. You want?
Then when you have everything.
Go to the back.
I want to do the garage and then come back.
I feel like it's about to come up soon. I don't think it's quite ready though. Alright. Make sure you get all that. Little resistance.
Perfect.
Get there. Get in there. Get cut.
Oh, that's what it is.
Where you at? Alright.
It's out.
Get it.
Owie.
To me, it's heavy as hell. Y'all see me trying to lift up the shrubs, or whatever you call them things, the tree stumps from the ground because of the roots, because we want to get a cleaner look for the house, right? It's a lot of work. Like, y'all see, I finally got one. I got literally a good 8 of those, you know what I'm saying, on the front of the house. I'm gonna try this other method because it's gonna take me weeks to get it done. That's what I was saying. I'm about to get the hitch so I can pull it. I think it's gonna be an easier job if I do it that way. I think I'll save a bunch of time. Can't do the hitch.
Which hitch was that?
It was for, I called over the phone about a install.
Yeah, hitch only, right?
Yeah, because you said the other one was like electrical if you got a trailer.
Yeah, you just use it for a bike rack, you said, or cargo carrier or something?
Yeah, it's like, to be honest, I really want to like pull these shrubs up.
Hey,
but yeah.
75, I think it was, so I should your keys.
Okay. He told me to get a pen for this so I can put this on a truck. This boy corroded. Oh, you can buy it. Heavy? You said 290?
Yeah, 290,
That's all I need. Oh, what about click wise? Y'all don't do the rope, I see, right? Oh, because I was gonna tie it around the shrub.
Oh, no, yeah, you don't want to do it.
Like Home Depot, because it's not that heavy duty.
$20.
Yeah, I'll try it. If not, what's that can happen? Break, then I gotta.
I doubt it'll break.
Are you gonna talk? On the phone on part. Just one line.
Gotta get to it.
Wait, I feel like
Yeah, I believe it. You want me to? Okay.
you acting like you don't want to. Really?
So they hooked the hitch up for me, and now we're gonna put it to the test. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm working with before we put it to the test. With the hitch. Then they gave me this. They gave me this for free because it's rusted old. And then it's the little thing. I bought the little rope and then the pin. Hopefully this will work. Dumb as they is. How much you getting it? I really don't need to put it all the way on there. I'm putting it all the way on. You know, you ain't never did it before. You a good ass up there. It's hella hard to pull off if I put it on right there. Let's go. Pull it off.
Yeah, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Passing the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new,
Keep going.
better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Damn, I was built to last.
Nope, slipped right off.
Taller ball, so like the back of the truck. Then they got the 2-inch boy. Alright y'all, so I had to go on another product binge. What we got? Alright. Then I just went ahead and got everything. Alright. Then we got this right here. Some weed killer. This is supposed to help kill the stumps, but it does take time. Kick in. I'm still gonna pour it on there. I got these right here. Alright, to help me out a little bit. And then I got this. And what I'm about to do is go in here and look at the blades and compare the blades as far as that goes. And I got my bigger thing. Let's shop. Black, yes sir. One in the middle. Alright y'all, so y'all seen me getting my tool game up. Alright, but of course I gotta go get me something to eat, so I stopped by Chipotle because when you're working hard, sometimes you don't feel like cooking. They did hook me up, you know what I'm saying? This bag ain't gonna last as none. Alright. Got my handy dandy fork. Got an extra fork, might as well keep it for work. Let's open it up. See what we got. This right here. Okay, that's the mild sauce. We got the chip to go with it. Put it on the plate, man. I don't think I'm gonna eat too much. I got a lot of work to do, but I at least want to get a nice little meal in. Alright. Look a little nasty on my plate, but I promise y'all, Chipotle is slapping. You know? It's slapping. You can't go wrong. Chipotle. And they give you a lot of food so you can eat now, save some for later. Can't beat it. Y'all seen I had some white rice. They was about to run out of brown rice. They had the white rice already available. Put a little sauce on there, get a little more flavor. They really didn't give me a lot of chips. I don't know why, y'all. You don't see them? Yeah, man. I got some backup chips, so we ain't gonna complain, right? Slapping. I got the white rice, corn, lettuce, sour cream, some mild sauce, some tomatoes. I think that's everything. And then I got a side of sauce. And then I got a Diet Coke with a low sugar Coke. It's alright, you know. But the food slapping. I love Chipotle. I think Chipotle is one of the most flavorful restaurants you can go to. You don't have to wait, already pre-made. Still have a good taste. It tastes fresh. Their lettuce always look fresh. They meat look good. Like well kept restaurant. Sea salt on the chips. You know, I'm very rarely disappointed when I go to Chipotle. Just so you know, for the record, when I went to Taco Bell, that taco that I had, it was slapping. Once I got to the middle of it, it was I guess they call it Cantalina. I'm not sure exactly how you say it, but it was slapping. This slapping, Chipotle always slapping to me. But they not stingy with their food. Like I said, you can always eat some later, you know. But I just put it all together and I just like that. When I get done eating, I'm gonna break this toolbox down, charge these. Matter of fact, I might charge the batteries now so they can be ready when I go outside, because I want to hit this project, and I want to at least get halfway done in the next 5 hours. That's my goal. I got about 10 shrubs left, maybe 11 or something like that. The goal for today, and I've been working on these shrubs all weekend. I only got 2 shrubs up. All right. The goal is to have at least 4 shrubs up in the next 5 to 6 hours. All right. Then I might be going out later. It's supposed to be like a drone show. But I'm going to charge these batteries up, so I am about to open the box just so I get the batteries. So y'all not going to miss nothing. And then after that, I'll do a quick little product overview, and then we're going to hit the dirt. All right. So let me eat real quick, and I'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all. I see y'all watch my video to the end. So thank you once again for that. Of course, before you leave, make sure you subscribe because we got more projects to come. The bushes, like the other project with the stairs, it's just a little long of a process for me to put all in one video. This was a lot of trial and error. So when you guys see me going to the store purchasing different things, it's because it was trial and error, getting comfortable with tools, digging up things. So you guys got to see me go through all of that. The whole point of the channel is for you guys to see beginning to end all the things I went through as far as building this house up. Maybe you can save some money by seeing the things that I tried that didn't work if you are interested on doing these type of projects to your own home or to somebody else's home or even starting a business. Okay, so that's the point of it. A few things in there might not have made sense, but leave in the comments and I'll address it. It should make sense in the end. A lot of this is new. So for example, the slipping with the bushes, we got to figure that out, right? We're going to figure it out. All right. You see me going back to the store. You see me buying things and trying different things. Everything didn't work right away. And that's the beauty of it. But you are going to get a chance to see how I figured that out and how you could too if you're interested in that. All right. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Let's get it. Camsdiy. Watching the drone show. Sweet.